Hey coders, welcome to my channel, where we turn code into creativity, one line at a time.
Masonry layouts are perfect for galleries, portfolios, and blogs. The best part? They're super easy to create. Let's jump right in. First, open your favorite code editor and start with a simple HTML file. Inside the body, I'll copy my div and img code, paste it, and save the file. After saving, the images aren't aligned properly. So we need to add CSS for the Masonry layout. Let's style it.
And that is it. We have built a Masonry image gallery using only HTML and CSS. Your images are now arranged in a Pinterest-style layout, making your gallery look modern and professional, whether it is a portfolio. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Happy coding.